Hey guys, Ryan Dossie here, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pull a vacant property niche list out of PropStream. With everything we've got going on, just kind of in the economy and in the world right now, this is a really neat niche because you have people that own a property that's sitting there that they're not doing anything with. A lot of these folks are now in a position that they wish they were more liquid, and we are able to meet that need. On top of that, there's not really any like COVID concerns or anything. I mean, it's a vacant. We've had people mail us keys, throw a lockbox on for us, makes doing walkthroughs and all that stuff super simple. So I'm going to show you how I pull this. First thing we're going to do is, well, look for the market that you're doing deals in. So Indianapolis for me. And I'm going to go here into filter. Now I'm going to do vacant. Now, just because the property is empty doesn't mean that it's one we want to market to. So I'm going to go in here into equity info, and I want to make sure that they can afford to sell to me. So you'll notice right here off the bat, we've got 14,513 people. If you've got a big marketing budget, great. If not, that's actually not all I would do. So I would come in here into MLS and also do not on the market. That's going to cut out anything that's currently listed. And then if you want to go even more niche with this, I would do properties that are held by individuals. A lot of corporate owned properties sit. That took us from 13,000 down to just 8,000. And then some of my better deals have actually come from the out of state and out of county vacant properties. So these are people that have a vacant that's not like a couple doors down. They can't really go check on it. And these are individuals that have equity and pretty good niche list. So all you would do is check this box, click add to list, name it whatever you want. And then you're going to come over here into properties, pull up whatever list it was that you named it as, highlight all of them, and then click export. But that is how you can pull a list of vacant properties that are not on the MLS, owned by out of state or out of county owners. Give it a shot.